Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Binance account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Tap on Security option, scroll all the way down to the end and tap on Manage Accounts. On the next page, you can see two options, that is Disable Account and Delete Account. Now to delete your Binance account, tap on Delete Account option. Choose one of the options for deletion of your Binance account and tap on it. Once you're done choosing a reason, tap on Continue. Click on Accept and Continue to agree to the terms and conditions of Binance account. Tick mark on the circle and tap on Delete Account. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Enter a verification code sent to your email address and tap on Submit. This is how you can delete your Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.